Hi, today we're going to be doing a 3-act task that involves adding fractions. It's called Do the Do. In this lesson, you will use knowledge of fractions and adding fractions to estimate. So we're going to be watching a little video, and while you're watching, I want you to think about what you notice and what you wonder, because then we're going to fill out this little T-chart on our slides. So here's the video. So what did you notice in that video? What do you wonder in that video? What are the first questions that come to mind? I'm going to play it one more time while you get your thoughts together. Now I'd like you to pause this video and go to the next slide and type in what you notice and what you wonder. When you're done typing, return to this video and we'll move on. Okay, so here's what I noticed and wondered. I was thinking, I see a can of Mountain Dew. I noticed there was a pile of sugar. I noticed there was a case of Mountain Dew in a box, and I noticed they poured out the sugar onto the table. And I was wondering, how much Mountain Dew is in the case? How much sugar is in each can? How much sugar is in the case? So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing an estimate on how many cups of sugar are in the case of Mountain Dew. And what I want you to do is I want you to think of the actual amount of cups. And I want you to think of something that you know is too small of an amount. It's too low of an estimate. And I also want you to think of a number that's way too high to be an estimate of the amount of sugar in a case of Mountain Dew. I want you to pause this video, fill out this slide, and then return to me when you're finished. Okay, so here's my estimates as a model. I was thinking, oh, maybe there's about a cup of sugar in a case of Mountain Dew. And I think that something that's too small might be a half a cup. Something way too high of an estimate might be 100,000 cups. So that was just my thoughts and my estimates. Now, an estimate, remember, is something similar to a guess, but you usually have more information, so it's like an educated guess. So speaking of information, we go to our next act. Act 2 is information gathering. So let's brainstorm for a moment. What information do we need to know to figure out how many cups of sugar are in a case of Mountain Dew? I also want you to think about what math tools or strategies would be useful. You're going to pause this video, fill out this slide, and then return to the video when you're finished. So here's some of my thoughts. I was thinking that we would need to know how much sugar is in one can of Mountain Dew, how many cans are in the case of Mountain Dew, and then I'm thinking we need to add up the amount of sugar in one can multiple times. Like how many cans there are in a case, that's how many times we'd have to add that number together. Or we could also multiply the amount of sugar in one can by how many cans that are in the case. So it's either multiplying or repeated addition are the strategies I would use once I knew the amount of sugar in one can of Mountain Dew. Now we're ready to see some more of the information that the 3-act task gives us. So here we have the nutritional information for one can of Mountain Dew. So it tells you the calories, 170 calories. It has that 12 fluid ounces are in a container. It shows that the sodium 65 grams, milligrams, the total carbs are 46 grams, The proteins are 0. But all of that information we don't really need because we're trying to find how much sugar is in a case of Mountain Dew. So we're going to pay particular attention to where it says sugars in grams. And we can see here that it has 46 grams of sugar. How much is 46 grams of sugar? Well, they weighed the 46 grams of sugar on a scale, and then they took that sugar and they put it in a cup so that you would know how much of a cup that is. And here's the information that they've given us. 46 grams of sugar equals approximately 1/5 of a cup of sugar. 1/5 of a cup. So that means 1 can of Mountain Dew has 1/5 of a cup of sugar. A case of soda has 12 cans. So 1 can is 1/5 of a cup of sugar, and the case of soda has 12 cans. At this point, I'd like you to pause the video and see if you can determine how much sugar is in a case of Mountain Dew. Ready for the reveal? Here's our answer. You can see that 1 can of Mountain Dew has 1/5 cup of sugar. So I've put out 6 cans of 12 cans of Mountain Dew. This equals 1 case of Mountain Dew. And then I've added 1/5 plus 1 more fifth is 2/5 plus 1 more is 3/5, 4/5. It's like I'm counting on by fifths. And 5/5, of course, is equivalent to 1. Then I'm going to add another fifth, 1 and 1/5, 1 and 2/5, 1 and 3/5, 1 and 4/5, and 1 and 5/5 is the same as 2 whole cups of sugar. And then we have 2 and 1/5 and 2 and 2/5. How close were you? Were you able to figure that out? So now we're going to go back and check our estimate. And we're going to think about how close were we? So when I go back on my slides to where I made my estimate, you can see that I was not very close because our actual answer is 2 and 2/5. And I said, well, I think it's just 1 cup. So I was a little bit too low in my estimate. How did you do? All right, thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our 3-act task for today and that you learned about how adding fractions can help you in estimating amounts.